So why Philly? Like, what do you love about the city of brotherly love?
Okay. I like Philadelphia because there's always a lot of people out and about, and everybody's always doing something different. So you can go see people doing different art things, or got great sports teams, there's water, there's everything you could hope for.
What I love about this place is we pretty much don't care what anyone else thinks about us. It's a very grit and grind city, straight to the point. You can see it in our athletes, you know, Bernard Hopkins, even the athletes that's not even from Philly, you know, they love this place. And like Allen Iverson, Joe Frazier, they have that grit and grind attitude, and that's what they love about the city.
Yeah.
So that's pretty much the reason why I love this city.
I think the best part of Philadelphia is that it's just there's always something going on here. You know, there's always some life to it. See a lot of people just making community, you know, right where they're at with way too many people, you know, and that's a good thing. So yeah, it's just good to see people being kind to each other, but more so it's just a place that's full of life.
I like Philly because it's very laid back and mellow compared to New York, where I'm from, where it's very hustle and bustle and very crowded. So Philly is just chill and relax and go with the flow.
Culture, the people sometimes. But I mean, you know, it's a great place to live in. You know what I'm saying? Like, I feel like if you can make it out of here, then you know you can make it anywhere.